everyone, welcome to the Stop on the Tour. My name's Taylor and I want to show you a little bit more about Gamma. It's one of our traditional style dorms on this campus. Let's take a peek. So this is a shared space for the Gamma complex. So Gamma has 4 houses, Newton, Knox, Freeman, and Wilson, and they all share this lounge. It's just a fun place to come hang out with your friends. My RA uses the lounge to put on Delta desserts every Sunday, which is honestly the best part of my week. You can also cook food in here. So we have 2 4-burner stoves and 2 ovens. I made brownies last night, as well as a dishwasher. My favorite part, of course, is that there's ping pong. The ping pong table is right over here. Oh, hi, Miss Laura. We also have a lot of study space and a TV in case you're wanting to watch the big game. We're going to take a peek into Gamma Newton now. This is actually where I first lived when I came to Eckerd. So we're in Gamma Newton right now. We're going to check out a traditional style room. It's a double. All of our dorms have been renovated in the last 3 years. So this is what the room looks like. Everything in here is included. You get a bed, a set of drawers, and a desk, in addition to this nice spacious wardrobe. So you can decorate any way you want, you just can't paint or damage the walls. We do have one of these little wooden strips up here in case you want to tack or nail things in too. In addition, all of our rooms have Wi-Fi and cable, and all of our buildings are air conditioned, so do not worry about that Florida heat. So I mentioned that all of our residence halls have been renovated in the last 3 years. That includes our bathrooms, and I like to call them private communal because you share with your whole dorm. In addition to these sinks out here though, you can go into one of these rooms, close the door behind you, and you have a shower, sink, and toilet that is private. You can shut the door behind you and enjoy your private bathroom time. Thanks for stopping in on this Stop on the Tour. If you have any more questions, feel free to look at our Eckerd College housing website. Hope to see you around campus soon.